Hey, welcome to Pearl Learn. If you enjoy this video, please support me by liking and subscribing. Today, we're going to create this shape in Illustrator. To create this shape, we will start by drawing a circle using the Ellipse tool. Next, we go to the Effect menu and then select Zigzag. Here, we set the points option to Smooth. After that, we go to the Object menu and choose Expand Appearance. Then we make a copy of the shape and paste it in front using the Paste in Front option from the Edit menu. We position the second shape in the center of the first shape. Next, we go to the Object menu, select Blend and then Make. After that, we go to the Effect menu and choose Pathfinder, selecting the third option, which is Exclude. Then we return to the Blend section and adjust the settings in the Blend options. Finally, we finish by going to Effect, then Distort Transform, and selecting Transform to input our desired angle. Our shape is ready. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for your support.